Hi guys! What's up madlang people? Kumusta mga kasimple? Andyan pa ba kayo? Guys, mga kasimple, andyan pa ba kayo? Eto na mga kasimple. Let's go! Okay na, ito na. Play na natin ang ating songs. Eto muna pala. Kumusta naman kayo dyan mga kasimple? Nawa ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan mga kasimple? Okay. Eto na. Di na natin to patatagalin mga kasimple. Nawa ang songs for today natin ay magustuhan nyo guys. Okay. Eto na. Eto na. I-play na natin. Okay guys. Eto na. Oh my God. Huwag kayong magsawang makinig at manood ha, guys. Okay. Kahit sintonado ha, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I'll cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We stormed at the moon. How we counted a million stars. My love is still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone. But I started this world before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I own. There's one thing in my life that is still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worry mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Ano ba yan? Guys, nagustuhan niyo ba guys? Ang aking pagkantang sintonado. Ano ba yan? Okay, palakpakan naman dyan guys. Huwag kayong magsamang manood guys ha. At makinig at mag-share. Alam niyo na. Okay. Let's go! Count on you you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worry mind. You forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now on now, I traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore. As the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. I can count on you. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming on my live. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang ating inahandang songs para sa inyo, guys? Okay, nagustuhan nyo ba? Okay, kung hindi, makinig pa rin kayo kahit sintonado. Okay, guys, thank you so much sa pakikinig at panonood, guys. Salamat. Nawa ay nagustuhan nyo, guys, kahit sintonado, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye, guys.